Hey, what you doing looking at Dada? What you doing looking at Dada?
Get her, Mommy. Make her
Oh
kid
my
like
goodness, those big kids are goofy. Oh my goodness, those big kids are goofy. Yeah, they're goofy. How about your baby size? Are those too close? Oh, a little bit. A little bit. No teasers? No teasers? No teasers yet. I gotta look. I think Lily and Xander had teeth by 4 months. 4.5 months. I think they did. I think they beat you. I think they beat you to your teeth. Yeah.
Baby Ellie's not 5 months old, and she started eating some rice cereal and some oatmeals. She's eating her first solid foods. No teethers yet. Starting to get her giggle when Mama gives her lots of kisses. Oh yeah. Love you, baby girl.